Hi, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the game mode on the TFT or Teamfight Tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your TFT game if you already have it downloaded into your PC. So if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the Riot client. Of course, if you don't even have the right client, you'll have to go now and open whatever browser you are using. Of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section, type one of those. Type download League of Legends, or type download a Riot client, or even type download TFT. All of them will take you to the same link that will download the Riot client for you. Once it's all downloaded, and open it, and then you will find yourself with this home screen or this main screen. Here you will find the games that is already installed into your PC. And of course, if you find the Teamfight Access, that's cool. If you don't, you will have to scroll down a bit until you find this all games. Make sure to click on Teamfight Tactics. Once you do that, you'll find this play at the bottom right corner. You will find install for you. If you don't have it downloaded, click at this three dots, and here you'll find three options. If you want to download Teamfight Tactics on your PC, you can download it through League of Legends. If you want into your iPhone, you can download it through App Store, or through your or if you want in your Android, you can do that through your Google Play. Once it's downloaded, you will have the option to go and open it up. And once it's open, they will actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, just go and log in into one. But if you don't, you will have to go back into your browser and type here create a Riot Games account, and that account will actually give you the opportunity to play all their games, all the Riot games. So once you created your account, just log in into it and you'll find yourself on a client like this. Of course, you'll not find yourself here. You'll find yourself here in this home screen. Make sure to click on play. And here, as you can see, you'll find the option of changing the game mode. Of course, there is the Summoner Race, the Aura, and Teamfight Tactics. What we care about is how to change the game mode on TFT. Of course, as you can see, we have normals and we have hyper roll and double up. For you, those two options, you will not find them because this is PvE. For you, you'll find ranked here and fortune's favor. And this patch, of course, it could change just the fortune's favor because ranked you will always find it. So choose whatever you want and start the queue. And of course, you can just click at find the match. If you find the match, you will have to accept it if you want to play. If you don't want to play, click at decline and you'll be good to go. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.